My friends, this is the homemade stromboli that we did. It was actually, it's really good. It was like almost like pizza. We put pastrami and pepperoni, and when it's hot, it's very good. Bye. This is very good. My husband liked this. Guys, please give us a like on Facebook and YouTube. We really appreciate, and subscribe please if you're not subscribed in my YouTube channel. Please subscribe, give me a comment, and hit the bell button so you get notified in my next video. I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, for the next step for the stromboli, here is the yeast. Rise up a little bit and mix it with the flour. Mix it well. Okay, my friends, here is the stromboli sandwich. After the flour double the size, you need it again. Flatten it, and in this we use pastrami and pepperoni, because my husband likes pastrami and pepperoni. So you roll this one and then bake it at 300 degrees. Okay, here is the stromboli. You put it on baking a tray with wax paper. Bake it for 400 degrees or until golden brown. Okay, here is the stromboli. You put it on baking a tray with wax paper. Bake it for 400 degrees or until golden brown. The stromboli is nice and brown, and then we're gonna slice it later and see how it tastes like. Okay, my friends, here is our stromboli. So before you serve, you slice it, and if you can see that, you can put any meat in between you like. See, it's nice and hot. It tastes really good. We'll find out.